Hello ma'am, hello sir. Good day to both of you. My name is Christine A. Dolores. I'm 31 years old from the Philippines. I'm undergraduate of Bachelor in Science in Information Technology. I'm married and I have two kids. They both girls, ages 9 and 12 years old. I'm a hardworking person, honest, trustworthy. I have experience as a helper in the Philippines. Mr. and Mrs. Cruz, they have 5 family members in the family, including mom and sir, grandmother, and their 2 kids, boy and girl, and they also 1 dog. I can do the household chores such as cleaning the house, laundering, ironing, gardening, marketing, and cooking. I take care of their kids to sending and pick up from the school. Sometimes I go to grandmother to visit her doctor. I want to work in Hong Kong to give my family better future and to support them. If you hired me, mom and sir, I'll do promise I can do the task that all you gave to me. Thank you and God bless.